Hey there, this is AG with another AGIY, hoping to bring you a little inspiration for your own creation. Today's project is a mason jar lantern. So here's what you're going to need to get started. Obviously a mason jar, some Mod Podge, some glitter. I chose 2 different colors there, and then these really cool paper flowers that I found at Hobby Lobby. So to get started, you are going to have to break out that Mod Podge. I always feel like I say that wrong. I don't know why, but I do. And you're going to want to put a nice coat inside there, and you're going to see why later. It really helps to give a really cool effect to the jar. So go ahead, layer that up, get it in there nice and heavy, because it will dry pretty clear. And then you grab your glitter, and just kind of sprinkle that around in there. Like I said, I chose the 2 different colors. Disclaimer, if you're going to use a blow dryer to help dry those layers, don't aim it into the glitter. Just a little tip there. So then you're going to grab those paper flowers, and they're really easy to work with. So what I did was I just kind of did little spaces at a time on that mason jar, because I didn't want it to start to get dry and too tacky before I got a chance to get to the area that I needed to put the flower on. So you see here, you just kind of push it down, and then you grab that Mod Podge. You are going to want to put a nice thick layer on, just so that way you can make sure that it's nice and secure to the jar. But remember, you're going to want to make sure that they dry in between layers, because if not, they will start to move, they will start to rip. Live and learn. I had to do this project a couple times to get it to where I wanted it to be. So then you see I just grabbed some different of those floral things there, and I put it out, and those were a little hard to work with, I'm not gonna lie. With them being so long and having so many little parts coming out, I had to make sure I put a nice coat on, but I had to do it nice and smooth and softly, because I really could have ripped those up pretty easy. But you see here, I'm just putting that on. You know, this is really those projects that are really good for kids of all ages, because it is messy, yes, but it cleans up super easy, and you don't need that many items for the project. So you see here, I grabbed my hair dryer. Like I said, don't aim that inside of the jar if your glitter is not dry, because live and learn, let me tell you, glitter is pretty, but it is very hard to get off of everything and anything that it is by. So moving on, I grabbed a couple of those tea lights there, and I put 2 in there because I really wanted it to have that really pretty glow. And you'll see at the end of the video, like you saw at the beginning, it really came out really nice. I had some extra twine there. That was from one of my other projects. I like to reuse things that I don't finish using for other projects. So there you see, this is a really pretty lantern. If you like this, make sure you like and follow, and we will see you very soon. Bye guys.